everybody, it's Ginny here from Webbers, and welcome to this delightful cottage that we've got coming soon to the market. Located just a short distance from the town centre of Battleton, this beautiful home is immaculately presented throughout, offering 3-bedroom accommodation, beautiful gardens, parking and also river frontage. So if you'd like to know more information, then please do not hesitate to contact us, and we would of course be delighted to hear from you.